an expert. He actually graduated from Mag Academy, and now he is. You moved from there, moved into acting, and you're very very passionate about fitness as well. So please tell us just a little bit about your journey. Right from animation behind the scenes to coming in front of the scenes.
So basically, I'm born and brought up in Bombay, and my parents being both creative professionals. My father was a fashion photographer, and my mother is a fashion designer. So definitely, अपने आप से genes, creative genes मेरे में आ गई. And when I was in school, I was always inclined towards creative stuff. I was into sketching. I used to dance. I used to do dramas, and math, science मेरे बस की बात नहीं थी. And I used to take a lot of part in sports, and that way I developed my art. I used to sketch. I can sketch people sitting in front of me, so I used to do all of those things. And slowly, I decided that I want to do something in the creative field. So my father, my mother, my family were always very supportive. And then after I finished my 12th standard, I decided that I need to do something into animation and filmmaking, because that really, my father being a fashion photographer, I used to assist him when I was a kid. So I used to go on sets and I used to see filmmaking, like people making films and shooting and all of those things. So that really used to excite me. So I needed to know the process behind filmmaking. So then I decided I need to do something which is related to filmmaking, animation, the VFX. So that really excited me. So I took up the course. I graduated in filmmaking and animation. Post that, I did my couple of projects, logo animation and short film direction and all of those things. And simultaneously, one of the days, I was just going down the gym after my workout. That was around 6 to 8 years back, I guess. So there were a couple of people related to a big production house. They were searching for some new talent. And at that time, I had never thought about getting into acting. So I was just passing by, and these two people were there, and they were like, "Excuse me, I think we are making a TV serial. It's a huge production house, and I think you go with the characters, so you would like to take your introduction right away." I'm like, "Right now?" They're like, "Yeah, right now." So I just gave my introduction. They're like, I was not even ready. I was not even trying for anything at that time.
Wow.
At that time, I was studying as well. So then, in a couple of days, I got a call saying that you have been shortlisted and probably you should come and give an audition. I was like, wow, that was not expected. So then I happened to go there. My father came along with me. He was very supportive that time. And I didn't know A of the acting. मुझे acting का A पता नहीं था. They gave me a long monologue asking me to just, memorize it and just go with it. I was like, wow, this is a big one. I've never done something like this before. So I tried, and I attempted a couple of times, but I failed miserably at that time. I was like, wow, this is difficult, this is not easy at all. And but that somewhere gave me that kick, I'm like, this is something very challenging and creative as well. So then at that point of time, I got rejected like miserably. I was like,
okay.
So I didn't know acting. But the people were very sweet. They were like, you Kashyap, you can do it. You can do it. And that time I was studying as well. So I was like, no, let me just finish my studies first, and probably then I can think about it. Then after that point of time, somewhere in my mind, I got this feeling that, I should definitely try acting. And after that, I started preparing myself while I was studying. So I did my acting course, I learned martial arts, I did jazz dancing, and I was like, I need to be ready to get into this field. It's quite cutthroat competition going on right now. So I need to be ready with whatever comes towards me. So the studies that I did, it really helped me, to understand what shooting is basically, the long shot, the over the shoulder. So somehow it complemented what I was planning to do ahead. So that really helped me. And then as a newcomer, as how everybody else does, I started my struggle, and I started meeting people, and I started giving auditions here and there. Then in 2015, I signed my first Hindi film, that was Sallu Ki Shaadi. It was a main lead, and I was very persistent. In fact, I would want to share this experience with you. I went for the audition, and from morning 11 to evening 7, I kept giving different scenes, different monologues, and stuff like that. And it was quite tiring. And they were like, Kashyap, we like you, but then you wait for our call. I'm like, okay, fine, no problem. Then I went back home, and 10 दिन गए, 15 दिन गए, 20 दिन गए. I'm like, wow, at least say yes or no, whatever it is. If it's yes, say yes. But then destiny, they said, they were like, after 20 days, I got a call in around 11:45 in the night, saying that we would like to go ahead with you, and please come to the office right now. 11:45 p.m. I'm like, wow, right now? They are like, yeah, we would want to talk to you right now.
Wow.
So I just went, I'm like, wow, this is happening. This is really happening. My first feature film is happening.
Does it feel like how in exam we wait for the result? It's like that only, no?
Absolutely. And this is one industry where you have to keep patience. You have to be positive. You have to keep patient. If you get rejected, it doesn't mean that you are bad or something like that. It's just that you are not fitting into that character, or you are not fitting that thing, and the perspective of the director is different. So it was my persistence that I have to give my best in whatever I do. I know I'm doing good enough, and somewhere it will click and it will come back, So that's how my first film happened, and we started shooting with Zeenat Aman ji. We had amazing time shooting. We were in UP, Uttar Pradesh. We shot there, and within 2-3 months, I got another film. It's called Love You Family. It was alongside Manoj Joshi ji, Navni Parihar, and like very veteran actors. And we went to Kazakhstan to shoot that film. That was an unusual location, and it taught me so much. Working with, you have seen like these people on screen while growing up, and you are in the same frame doing scenes with them. So I think that was very humbling and very. I was honored just to be with them, doing scenes with them, talking to them. So
it's a dream come true.
Absolutely. And after that, I got my third film. That was One Day Justice Delivered. It was alongside Anupam Kher and Isha Gupta. Very good actors, amazing actors, very supportive actors. So we went to Ranchi to shoot that film. So yeah, God has been kind, and parents' blessings are always there, and that's how my journey started. These are like, I still consider these as my baby steps. They are like, I still have to do a lot of things, but now these days it's so difficult to just crack into the industry, basically.
Yeah.
It's so difficult.
Everyone's talking about that. That's so topical right now.
Absolutely. And but then I have been working towards my goal and being very positive about things. अगर कोई चीज नहीं होती है तो just let it go. Don't think about it, because something better is coming for you. So I always go ahead with that thinking, and that has really helped. So I keep myself very positive that way.
And if you align your mind, you're clear, there's clarity, and you align your mind, then you're open to new things coming in. 100%. But when we get dissuaded, we feel that मेरा सबसे बड़ा ये है ना, I have to share, Kashyap, before we actually jump into fitness conversation. I have seen a lot of people, and this is just a very sincere sharing with you. हम लोग जब बोलते हैं मैं struggle कर रहा हूँ, तो वो struggle महसूस होता है. So it's best not to say कि मैं struggler हूँ या मैं struggle कर रहा हूँ. नहीं. मैं explore कर रहा हूँ.
Exploring things.
हाँ, मैं explore कर रहा हूँ. तो explore, your mindset, your subconscious shifts, and then it's अच्छा explore, because we all love exploring like children. बचपन में आदत होती है ना explore करना, इधर घूमना वहाँ घूमना, लोग हमको निकाल देते हैं. You remember ना, we stop people's houses, they say इधर से जाओ, time हो गया घर जाओ.
Correct. Absolutely, you are absolutely right, because that's the right word, exploring things. you know. But just go towards it and just grab it, you know. I mean, that has to be the mindset. Your goal has to be like that blinded horse, you know, like the, what do you call them? Blinders.
Focus. Yeah, blinkers, horses blinkers.
Yeah. It should be like that. Your focus should be right at that point. You know, the
Absolutely.
routes might be different. The routes might be different, but your focus has to be right there. You know, and work towards it. You know, work towards your.